This is Febrina once again. Welcome to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified of the new succeeding videos. And today I will be talking about affiliate marketing. So please stay tuned until the very end of the video so that you will know the verdict if this super affiliate system is for you or not. And if you subscribe, because I want you to subscribe because I will create subscriber only content from now on. All right. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a kind of internet marketing wherein you get to promote other people's products in affiliate networks such as ClickBank or Digistore. And when someone clicks on your link and buys from you, you get a commission. It's that simple. So you don't have to create products on your own. Okay, so we are going to review one of the most famous affiliate products out there from John Crestani. Who is John Crestani? He's a master of marketing and creator of the super affiliate system and international renowned expert in affiliate marketing. So actually I followed his YouTube videos, very entertaining about how to make money online, and this is his product. Okay, so this course, the super affiliate system, claims to provide training to create a six-figure online business by creating profitable ads that the user just has to copy and paste. So it's a 6-week training course. It shows the user exactly what they need to be doing in order to come up with profitable ad campaigns, as well as it shows you what kind of mistakes to avoid that most marketers make. Okay, so actually the super affiliate system is one of the highest selling programs in ClickBank, and it has plenty of students from across the world. Okay, so most students claim to experience results from John Crestani's program. Aside from creating lucrative ad campaigns, this course also teaches students how to scale their online businesses. Okay, so let's talk about from the students themselves, because I'm not a student. So here, let's find out what the review has in store for John Crestani's program.
Dollars today running an offer. It was a great day. Thank you, John. From an actual user on Facebook.com. I love John's program and going through it. It's not free advertising as a focus, but it is a roadmap to success for sure. From an actual user on Quora.com. An awesome start to my day. My first sale ever. Thank you, John, because all I did was what you said to do. From an actual user on Facebook.com. Overview of the super affiliate system and research. According to the general online consensus, where research is based on unbiased non-vested comments, the super affiliate system seems to have worked for the majority of those customers that tried it. It was difficult.
All right, so there you have it, some of the testimonials from students of John Crestani's super affiliate system. Okay, so this is his sales page. Okay, okay, so they have gotten results, and so it seemed that majority of the customers have found results from it, that have tried it. And yes, it was difficult to find real negative comments about the program, other than that the users just need to spend money on paid ads. Of course, if you really want to scale your business to the next level, you just can't rely on free traffic forever. Of course, you have to invest on it with paid ads. So the verdict: the super affiliate system 2020 works as claimed and provides proven methodologies to earn affiliate commissions via paid ads. Okay, so this this course is updated. So actually it's already in 3.0 format. Okay. Okay, so this is delivered online. It's an online product. Every student receives access to its secure website and has the support of a dedicated team. All right, so let's browse more. So this is the method. All right. Okay, testimonials. Okay, so there's bonus. So there are 5 related bonuses with each time for membership. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's how. Let's see how much is he selling for this. Okay, here we go. So for it is only for 997 USD. All right, so one easy payment of 997. All right, so you save 4,000 immediately. Mm-hmm. Okay, he has first internet jet set testimonial. Another term for it is internet jet set. Okay, so let's see if he has money back guarantee. All right, here. So he has money back guarantee. So the he shares the burden also. Okay, so you can bring it back if you're not satisfied. All right, so I think that's it. The verdict is so because just check out the testimonials, and if you want to know, if you want to check out this SAS, I'll give you the link to its page so that you can purchase it. And just a disclaimer, I'm an affiliate of this, although I'm not a student. So if you get from my purchase from my link, I get a small commission. Okay, so there you go, guys. Thank you for so much for watching, and next videos I'm gonna give you more marketing and copywriting tips soon. Okay, don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.